Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG that's going to get a pretty unique wrap. So this is going to be a faded wrap, so it's going to go from Nardo gray to gloss black. It's going to start in the middle. It's also going to get brand new rims, custom Saya Collective rims. But the craziest part out of it all is going to be that it's also going to get a Brabus conversion kit. So this is going to come with the front LED lights, much wider fender flares, which is going to look much more meaner. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications to on so you can be notified anytime I got crazy projects like this uploaded. Let's get to it. And there you guys have it, all complete. A 2025 G-Wagon G63 converted into a Brabus. So first things first, big shout out to Saya Collective for allowing me to work on this project. WePrintWraps.com for creating such an awesome vinyl. This is a fade, it's a one row, basically Nardo gray to gloss black. And SK Racing for creating such an awesome kit. Very good on fitment. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Obviously nothing is perfect, but definitely a 9 out of 10. Over the years that I've been doing this has to be by far the best fitment kit out there. Starting off with this front bumper, as you guys can see, these tabs, they sit in place. With these chip kits, you're not going to get this. What you're going to get rather is gaps right here, and it just looks awful, literally. So it seems like they are more of a quality over quantity, and a lot of these cheap kits are quantity over quality. So that's a big thing that I noticed with this kit from SK Racing. The whole front end has been wrapped in the Nardo gray. The bumpers, the fender flares have been painted in gloss black. Also got a functional Brabus hood bonnet. Air comes in here, exits out of the back over here. Looks awesome. Got a Brabus engraving right here. Exposed carbon fiber. You could get this from SK Racing. And then something that I did here myself was wrapped these parts in Damascus black. There's 4 of them, one over here, one on the opposite side, and then 2 on the back bumper. If you're going to be doing this, just know that you gotta swap everything. You gotta swap the hose that sits right there, goes into each of the headlight covers, which I guess wash the headlights. You're gonna have to swap the sensors and that camera, which was honestly the hardest part to swap, was the camera, because that camera sits on the bottom of the dash bar. It's a little bit tricky trying to remove it, but once you remove it, everything should go in place on this new bumper much easier. And SK Racing provided all the hardware pieces that I need to make everything work like it's supposed to, and everything works like it's supposed to. Nothing needs to be collaborated, so that's good. Now the craziest part out of this project, I believe, are the rims. So you got the Saya Collective engraving on the rim itself. Everywhere it says Saya Collective, Saya Collective. You got the logo right here, and then you got the carbon fiber exposed lip with a red pin stripping. It's crazy, yo. Also right here did the Damascus black. There you go, the sun is hitting it. And here's the back part where it's now black, from Nardo to black with a Brabus spoiler installed. I used the Scotch, what is it, 50 pound, it's a black double-sided sticky tape. Seems to work the best. The last thing you want is for that thing to fly off, so make sure you use a really good heavy duty 50 pound or even something stronger double-sided sticky tape to keep that spoiler in place. We also got Saya Collective tire cover on the back, and the last part that I installed was this steering wheel, which is honestly something you probably never seen on a G-Wagon. Not a lot of people do this, but it's a fully functional LED steering wheel. All of these pieces had to be swapped. This part had to be swapped. Very difficult to remove this, so if you ever plan on doing this, be very careful. There's wires. You do not want to break them, because I'm sure this is very expensive from the dealer. But everything works as supposed to. I click on everything. It works as supposed to. Literally pops up right here. And I'm sure you probably spin this dial. That's how it works. I don't own a Mercedes-Benz. I'm not sure, but that works. And then this works. So if I start the car, it's gonna light up. Hold these 2 buttons. And there you go. And that'll be it for this project. Again, big shout out to Saya Collective, WePrintWraps, SK Racing, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content such like this. I got a pretty crazy convertible G-Wagon that I'll be working on pretty soon. You guys don't want to miss that. That one's going to be insane. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.